The range of security cameras is truly mind-blowing, so you can easily find a device with a facial recognition feature, night vision, and other frills. However, if you plan to buy a camera packed with all sorts of novelties, get ready to pay $400 or even more. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Zumimall 1080p. If you are looking for the perfect outdoor wireless security camera, then check out the Zumimall Wireless Security Camera Outdoor. It has an IP65 protection and is able to withstand rough weather. It also has a high resistance to the UV rays. This camera can be mounted anywhere in your home you want it to be, and you can view your home through the Zumimall Wireless Security Camera's monitor from any location in the house. The camera can be connected to the internet through your router. Zumimall Wireless Security Camera Outdoor is definitely worth every penny and is definitely a top-notch security camera. Number 2. Reolink Argus PT. The Reolink Argus PT wireless pan-tilt-powered Wi-Fi security camera system is a state-of-the-art security camera system that gives you the flexibility to place it virtually anywhere in your home or place of business. This wireless camera operates on Windows CE, XP, Vista, Mac OS X, and Sun OS. It has built-in Wi-Fi Direct and works great on all smartphones including iPhone, BlackBerry, and Android phones. The camera has a built-in motion detector and can detect movements up to 30 feet away. You can use the Reolink Argus PT wireless pan tilt-powered Wi-Fi security camera system to watch your kids while you are doing the dishes, or just while playing your computer games, and still have a secure and comfortable place to monitor what's happening. Number 3. NGTeco for CHNVR for PCs. The NGTeco for CHNVR for PCs is a video surveillance and security camera that are available for both wired and wireless systems. It also has a digital video recorder as well as a DVR. The system has 4 power voltage line modules that have 2 voltage lines coming into the system. There are also circuit breakers that are able to detect when something is not operating according to the set circuit. It comes with a mounting kit that has a polycarbonate or ABS shell that prevents the camera from becoming damaged by impacts that may occur while the security camera is being mounted. It also includes a remote control that is used for operating the NGTeco camera from a distance. The NGTeco has a unique video image processing system that uses a combination of CCD sensors and matrix video image processing to produce high-resolution security camera images. This makes the camera able to identify and distinguish between a number of different objects and people. Number 4. eufyCam 2C2 Cam Kit. Capable of recording and monitoring camera footage for up to 3 months, the award-winning eufyCam 2C2 Cam Kit security camera system gives you all of the power you need to keep an eye on your home or business premises. If you're fed up with constantly forgetting to record or monitor your premises, the built-in USB drive gives you easy access to your recorded footage via an internet connection. With a simple, one-touch interface, you can easily record footage and store it to DVD or external storage media. With a 1-month guarantee and a comprehensive manual, the eufyCam 2C2 Cam Kit security camera system is a simple, affordable, and fully integrated all-in-one security solution. Built to work with any PC or Mac, the system is easy to use and compatible with any recording software. Number 5. SOLIOM S600. SOLIOM S600 security camera outdoor cameras are amongst the best security cameras available. The SOLIOMs has a built-in infrared illuminator that allows you to view your property in daylight, as well as at night. One of the best features about this camera is the built-in DVR that allows you record in whichever mode you want. One great feature of the SOLIOM S600 security camera outdoor model is that it includes a motion detector that allows for remote monitoring of your home from virtually anywhere. The security camera automatically begins recording when motion is detected. In addition to the built-in infrared illuminator that allows for remote viewing of your property at any time, the SOLIOM S600 has a 2-way audio and video transmitter that offer an excellent home security solution. This unit works on either AA or AAA batteries and has a rechargeable battery life of up to 4 hours. The SOLIOMs has an attractive plastic housing that is easily protected from the weather.